Okay guys, so we're back for another video. We're gonna do an XTerra. We're gonna do the front bumper, the side molding, uh, this side molding, and back bumper, and all the way around to the front bumper. So all of this side molding, this side molding, and the front bumper. And we're gonna start off sanding, and that's it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start scuffing up the plastic, the front bumper, the side moldings. We're gonna start scuffing it up. You don't need to scratch it like real in there, you just mainly need to scuff it. So we're gonna get started on that. You just need to scuff it, not really scratch the whole, scuff it.
Alright guys, so while these guys are scuffing the bumper, we're going to go ahead and give them time to work, and then we're going to come back and see how it looks after the scuffing.
Alright, so we're done scuffing up all the plastic all around. So right now what I'm just going to do is I'm going to put a bunch of put paint thinner all around the plastic that we already all scuffed up like this.
Alright guys, so we're going to go and let them clean the plastics with some paint thinner, and we'll come back.
Okay guys, so we're done taping the whole truck, and I'm gonna put some adhesive promoter on the plastic.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get the Raptor ready, and if y'all don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to do it again. So let's get okay, from the last time, how I said that the hardener is supposed to go up to here, but you don't want to put it up to there at the beginning. You want to put it up to this line. So at first, put it up to that line, and then when you put it up to the line, you want to shake it for a good minute. So up to the line. Right there. Alright, so now we're gonna shake it for a good minute. Alright guys, so I think that's good. So now we're gonna fill it up all the way to this line right here. Right, so now alright guys, so now we're just gonna start on Raptoring the whole plastic around. And what you want to do first is we're gonna do the first coat. What you want to do first, just go like that, how the last video that I had done it. You don't want to, it doesn't really matter if it's not gonna cover the whole thing. The first coat's not gonna cover the whole thing because we're gonna give it a second pass. So what you want to do is give it a first pass, let it sit there for about 20 minutes, and then come back and do the second pass, and it'll come out. So let's do it. Let it sit for 20 minutes, and after those 20 minutes we're going to come back and give it the second coat.
Alright guys, so we're going to go in and wait those 20 minutes, After that's done, they're gonna go ahead and do a second pass on it.
Alright guys, so we let the first coat sit there for about 20 minutes, so now we're just gonna give it the second coat and see how it turns out. It's gonna make a difference. Alright guys, so we're done with the second coat. Now we're just gonna wait for about 20-25 minutes to 30 for it to dry, and then we'll come back and show you how it turned out.
Okay guys, so we let the Raptor sit there for an hour and we're gonna start taking off the paper and tape.
What a difference, guys. Look at that. What a difference. Now, I don't know about you guys, but definitely I think that the customer is going to come back and he's going to ask us to do that area right there. The truck looks way too nice, way too different for him to leave that right there. So this guy's going to be back. Okay guys, so these guys are pretty much done with the XTerra. They did a great job, so let's go ahead and take a look at it.
So this whole truck, all the plastic was burned up, so we Raptored it all the way around and it came out nice. You see this how burned the plastic was. This is how it was on the bumper, on the sides, and the back bumper, and we pretty much did everywhere.
How long did that take you?
This took us 3.5 hours to do.
So basically the customer just brought it in right now and you guys are going to give it back to him the same day?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's look around. Check it out, guys. He did another great job in about 3.5 hours. Plastic looked completely different. Now that black plastic, the customer might want to buy a new one because it's pretty burned up, but other than that, look at the job these guys did. All right, guys, not bad for a 3-hour job.
All right, so we're pretty much done there, and later on we're gonna see what other vehicles we get, and stay tuned for those. So, like and subscribe.